we have Professor Saad Mekhilef, Professor of Electrical Engineering from University of Malaya and Technical Chair IEEE GUCON 2020. He will now throw some light over the highlights of the conference. And I request Sir to kindly take over.
So good afternoon, everyone. Good evening. Good morning. So that's the beauty of a virtual conference. So I think in Europe we are in the morning. In India maybe it's an afternoon. Here we are in the evening. You know. Yeah. So it is a pleasure actually to see all of you. It's a very good opportunity. Unfortunately, this year we are unable to meet physically. I would like to make a special thanks actually to the CEO and to the Vice Chancellor of the Galgotias University for their support. Actually, without your support and without your help, this conference will not be possible. And also this goes to special thanks to all the participants today. Special thanks also goes to our track chairs. Our track chairs, which has done actually a very good job, you know, assigning the reviewers and going through the review process. It's not an easy job. I would like to thank all of them, the track chairs, the reviewers. Reviewers actually we spend a lot of time reading and commenting on the papers. And it was actually very difficult for us to make the final decisions, and especially with the high number of submissions. As mentioned previously, we only accepted 161 papers. The acceptance rate is around 36%, which is very good. And we reached a stage where we ranked the papers because it was difficult to actually select which papers to be accepted. So I asked the track chairs to rank the papers, and then based on that we select these 161 papers. It has gone through a rigorous review process and also checking. We are very strict on the similarity index and the plagiarism. Every paper that doesn't pass the threshold of 20% will not be selected and will not be recommended. I think GUCON is set to set a very high quality and standards for researchers to submit their papers. We have received the papers from more than 20 countries, which shows the conference is an internationally recognized and well-received conference. And I'm sure that you have gone through the website from 2018, where more than 800 papers received. In 2019, I was in the conference. It was a great event. We met a number of good researchers from all around the world. The same, more than also 800 papers was. And this year also, we were in a very difficult situation to decide how we are going to go. Are we going to go virtual, hybrid? But in the end, it was decided that we go virtual. And I think the good things about the virtual conference is create another avenue for us, another avenue where we can do a lot of works without doing a lot of travel, a lot of transits, wasting time in airports and so on. We can be more efficient. Okay, we can do many things online, and I hope this year I have gone. All the presenters have already uploaded their videos, recordings. Up to this morning, we have 100% video recording submissions of all the papers, and I have gone through. Many of them are very high quality recording, and this shows actually maybe this is the trend of future conferences. Future conferences may have different trend. Maybe we have most likely it will be hybrid. Okay, for people from different parts of the world will be able to participate. Also, I would like to highlight something very important. The fees charged was very low. This actually encouraged researchers to participate. And as indicated by the chairman and the vice chancellor, this is a non-profit conference. So once again, thank you very much for the support provided. Thank you very much for the track chairs. Thank you very much for the reviewers. Thank you very much for the authors. And we look forward for the 2021 conference with very high quality papers. Thank you.